Is there anything that in your mind that you would want to leave like anyone out there with, and maybe kind of catering to, like in this particular case, like the aspiring
Yes.
entrepreneur, maybe in the senior care
Yeah.
world that
Yes.
like is trying to find their place, you know?
Totally. Go for it. Do it. Like your brain is going to try to talk you out of it in so many ways. And especially if you're in the caregiving world and you're trying to start a caregiving business, we need you more than ever. And the caregiving world, and I feel like a lot of the hospital world and healthcare world, we're not taught this. We don't know, like we're not taught about business and we're not taught about doing things outside of the mold and outside of the norm, but it's so much worth the work to do and going through that discomfort because the impact you can make on people's lives is so much greater. If you love working in the hospital and you love doing that, nothing wrong with it. It's been great for me. I actually worked 13 years in the VA. But if you have that itch and you have that calling, like start putting your information out there. I also think for anybody in this situation, like for me, I just thought what I knew was basic. I just thought like, oh, well, like I don't have anything special to offer. I don't have anything like I don't know, anything groundbreaking. But what I realize is like there are people out there who actually haven't been taught this or nobody's taken the time to share this with them. So I do have something to offer. The biggest thing was just getting over all of the fear and doubt and worry in my mind that I'm doing something that a healthcare provider should not do. And I think that you can make an amazing business and build an amazing life and build amazing wealth while still being super caring and actually helping other people. It's not like I had to do a lot of work about like, you're not taking advantage of anybody. You're not like doing anything wrong. How do you deliver value? The more you are helpful, the more value and help you can give, you're going to be set up. You're going to have a great business. So just really like, don't let that fear voice take over because that was my biggest obstacle.
Yeah,
and what I will say, my biggest tip actually that I realized is perhaps not look to the other caregiving space for your business ideas and for your direction and what to do. I'm looking to the business space. I am looking to the businesses that are having great growth and who are doing great things. I'm like, what are they doing? How do I make this apply to caregiving? Could I use this to caregiving? Because if you're looking, like if I'm looking to the hospital system or to the other caregiving space, I wouldn't be where I'm at.
Yeah, exactly. And that's so true. And because I do this all the time. We, you know, like a lot of the stuff that we're doing, you know, is modeled from other entrepreneurial conferences.
Yes.
And we're really doing it so that like we're kind of modeling what they're doing, but we're applying it to the senior care world.
Yes.
You know, and it's so uncommon, you know, but it's like, like, you know, most of the conferences I go to are like that are business oriented are all, I mean, it's rare that I meet someone in that conference that's in senior care. When I do, I'm like, oh, like we got to hang out, we got to connect. You know,
I've met one person so far in the world that I'm in that's in the senior care. So.
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you'd like to watch last week's episode, click here. If you'd like to watch more exciting content on senior care, click here. If you'd like to learn how to open up your own adult daycare, assisted living, or home care agency, click here, krischanna.com. This is for all those senior care entrepreneurs out there. And let's get back to work.